into your seats. Thank you very much.
Going today. Again, keep in mind.
We're underway here in a couple minutes. Looks like they're just finishing gently placing all your checked luggage in the cargo bins. Once you're done with that, we'll be on our way. It's 2 hours, 10 minutes flying time from takeoff to touchdown. Weather at a time of arrival in Buffalo has got winds out of the northeast forecast at 8 miles an hour. Clear skies. Most recent temperature there 76 degrees. We'll give you an update on the weather and arrival time once we are airborne. For now, we invite you to sit back, relax, and welcome aboard.
Okay, everybody, you ready? It is safety demo time. We always appreciate your attention. This is the 737-800 series aircraft, and a safety information card is in your seat back pocket. Always a good idea to take that out and familiarize yourself with it. To fasten your seatbelt, this is for you, sir. Okay, I knew you would pay attention. Slide the flat end into the buckle. Pull the loose straps tighten, and to release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight low across your hips and wear it any time you are seated. There are 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to those exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest located under your seat. Pull the red strap to open the container, remove the vest, place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest, or to manually inflate, you can blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. For use of a life vest on an infant, please refer to the safety information card. And if additional vests are needed, we have those. We'll be glad to pass them out. We're coming by to check that your seatbelts are fastened. Seat backs and tray tables are in the upright and locked position, and all carry-on items are completely under the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking of any type is not allowed on an aircraft or in an aircraft lavatory. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with all lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including instructions regarding seatbelts and smoking. Also, folks, it is prohibited to consume any alcohol you may have brought with you on this flight. Last but not least, if needed, 4 yellow oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. You can secure the mask with the elastic straps, and although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing until otherwise notified by a crew member. And if you are traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, please put your mask on first and then help them with theirs. And if you have a personal mask on, please take that off before you put this mask on. We are here for your comfort and safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. And we're glad you're all here. We're dim the cabin lights in a few minutes. There's a reading light over your head. There's also a vent that you can open and close, so please make yourselves comfortable. Welcome aboard, everyone. We're glad you're with us. Thanks. We have been cleared for departure. Double check those seatbelts. Enjoy your flight. 173 plus 1, 4 babies, 2 hours and 10 minutes, you guys. Got it? Got it. Hi, welcome to Buffalo. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and your carry-on items stowed until we arrive at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. That will be your indication that you can get up and move around. Please be careful when you open those overhead bins. We don't want anything to fall out and hurt anyone. If you have a connection here, please check the monitor in the gate area for the most up-to-date flight and gate information. If you're going on to Chicago, this is your plane. Just stay seated. Once we get a count of our through passengers, once everyone else is off, I will let you know and give you some further direction. So thank you all for joining us today. The front and back doors could be open for ground servicing. Please keep an eye on any little ones or anyone you need to keep an eye on. Check all around your seat, folks. Check the seat back pocket, between the seats, around your feet. Make sure you take everything with you. Once you leave the plane, you cannot come back. So you want to make sure you take it when you